I hope to share some insights in terms of what my team and I have experienced over the last while. Things, especially in IT, starts with conversations, and our ability to engage people in the conversation and to take from that conversation puts us in a position where we can really activate or listen to our customers and have this way of thinking about our voice of the customer. The fascinating thing, when you look at it from the numbers from a recent CEO survey, 86% of CEOs indicate that this context around digital transformation is the most important thing for their organizations. So considering that 92% of organizations, CEOs, indicate that their business models will not be viable through this digital age, part of what I would suggest to you is to start off with a definition about what a digital enterprise is. And for me, a digital enterprise exhibits two characteristics. The first issue is around the creation of new business models, new business designs. And the second aspect is about the blurring of the line between the digital and the physical. I think quite clued up on business models. Broadly, when I speak to my organization about a business model, I think about four elements. The first element being our customers. We have to understand in the context of the current COVID-19 scenario, what's happening with our customers, how will their behavior change, and how do our products and service need to change because of the fact that we then need to adjust our business value proposition to support those customers. So we get to a point where from an execution perspective, we can then start to think with clarity, and we can execute with clarity because of the fact that we work from this same understanding and vision. And moving from this point of clarity then enables agility. This agility then helps us create the type of momentum in our delivery that our organization needs and wants. We learn and we assess the viability and feasibility of what we do. And then to deliver results in this disruptive context, my team and I think about three aspects: alignment, anticipation, and adaptability. A mindset supported by practices enabled by technology. So from a technology point of view, one of the things that we have to be clear on is how we engage people in conversation and how we make sure that we capture the relevant knowledge from that conversation in order to think about what capabilities are necessary. We consistently hear the narrative that we live in the fourth industrial revolution. But do we really? If you listen to the grand geek himself, Professor Barry Dwalapski, from the Johannesburg School for Software Engineering, it's essentially a process of drawing an arbitrary point in time because of the fact that often people refer to a grouping of technologies. So if the fourth industrial revolution is a misnomer, look at Industry 4.0 principles. It talks about four principles to consider: interconnection, digital twins, hierarchical control, and robotics. These four principles work in concert to bring about quite significant change.